Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the lasagna soup that's going around on TikTok, and this is my first time. I've never had a lasagna soup, but when I seen the video I was like, that looked delicious. So I just got out the shower, I went to Food Lion after I got off work, and then I got all the groceries and ingredients, stuff like that. I was about to curse and stuff like that. I got everything that I need for it. So I'm gonna record myself making it, but I'm not gonna leave the audio on there. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I'm listening to music in the background. I like to listen to music when I cook. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me, and then at the end I'm gonna pause the music and I'm gonna show y'all me trying the first bite. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good or if it's not, because if it's not, it's only 6:08 right now. I'm gonna go and grab some food because I'm not gonna go hungry tonight because I don't know how to cook lasagna soup. But yeah, y'all, keep watching. Oh, I forgot to say that if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the videos that I make. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a few. Okay y'all, so as you can see here, I'm just taking the sausage out of the casing or whatever and just throwing it in. I think I used 5 sausages. And now I'm just gonna chop it up into small pieces. I'm gonna let it brown. Get a nice golden brown color on all the sides. I'll also leave a link down below to the sausage that I used. But this sausage already had like a heat to it, like it was hot sausage. I think it was hot Italian sausage, but it added a lot of flavor to the lasagna soup as well. Now that the sausage is brown, I'm gonna add this Italian sausage and garlic sauce, the whole bottle. I'm also gonna add 1 cup of crushed tomatoes. And I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of chicken broth. The recipe that I watched used 3 cups, but her lasagna was kind of like watery. I wanted mine to be thick. Okay, right here I'm just gonna break up the lasagna noodles. I'm not sure how many she used, but I think I used around 7. I'm not sure, I'm not counting, but I just wanted the pasta to be thick. Well, the soup to be thick, because I really love pasta. I wanted the pasta to overpower the soup part. Okay y'all, so I clearly used more than 7 noodles, but you get the picture. Okay, so here I'm just gonna add a bunch of seasonings. I will have them linked down below. Well, not linked, but I will have the seasonings that I use down below. And I'm just letting my ancestors tell me how much to use because, as y'all can see, I'm not measuring at all. But you have to season it up because, look. Now I'm just gonna make sure all the seasonings are well combined. And everything is just getting... Ooh, just look, y'all. That looks so good already, and the pasta isn't even done yet. I think this is a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. So yeah, that gave it a little bit more flavor as well. Right here, y'all are seeing me add a cup of cottage cheese and a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna mix it together, and then I'm gonna add that towards the end when the pasta is almost done. Okay, y'all can see me here checking the noodles to see if they're almost done. So I'm gonna add the cottage cheese and Parmesan mixture. Look at the color that it gives, y'all. Just look. Ooh, it's coming together. I'm telling y'all. You gotta try this. I'm also gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. As y'all can see, it's starting to get a little bit thicker, so I'm just gonna put the lid on and let it simmer until the bread is done cooking. Alright, y'all, so I'm adding a little bit more of that cottage cheese and Parmesan mixture just to take pictures, make it all cute and stuff, you know, so I can post it. The garlic bread, okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the lasagna soup. I'm gonna show you what it looked like, and then I'm gonna try it on camera, okay? So, this is, hold on. Try to focus it. Okay, look, that's what it looks like. I just added a little garlic bread. I'm gonna take a picture, try to do a cute little presentation, but this is the pot. Let me show y'all how creamy it is. Please tell me this doesn't look good. If you say it doesn't look good, you're a liar. But yeah, we're gonna leave it like that right there. It's still steaming hot. And I'm gonna try this. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to try it. It is still really hot. Like, yeah, I feel like I did my thing with this. And this on top is just more ricotta cheese. Spit. It's more cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna try it without the extra cheese.
So good. So good and tasty.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And I didn't even measure the seasonings. Like, y'all saw me, I just put it in there. Let me stir all this up. This shit busting. Yeah. And it's hot too. Their cheese. Yeah. Alright, look. Cheesy. I could have made the noodles a little bit smaller, but it's fine with me. I'm the only one eating out of this anyway. Dip the bread in them. Yeah, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10 will do it. I'm just shocked because I didn't even measure the seasonings. And the lady whose video I watched, I'm gonna link it down below, but she used 3 cups of chicken broth. I only used 2.5 because I have a problem when I cook. I cook too much, and I'm only one person. But yeah, I'm about to get me a glass of wine. I'm gonna go watch YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Let me know if you tried this recipe. I will leave the lady who I copied down below. And yeah, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, y'all?